How to repair our damaged skin.
Hello, this is Danny Liu. Do you know what can help us to repair our damaged skin like scars, pockmark holes, red blood cell, scalding skin, and even burns? So today let me introduce a very good product. Its name is Nutricential Cultures Always Right Recovery Fluid. Let's check it out.
How do we use it?
After we clean our face with Lumi Spa and put on the toner, you can apply the Cultures Always Right Recovery Fluid as the serum treatment. Use it morning and night, and then follow your day or night moisturizer. For the solution of the pockmark hole skin, besides Cultures Always Right Recovery Fluid, you can add the toner to be clear here you glow, day dream protective lotion, and thirst fix.
What makes Cultures Always Right Recovery Fluid so good?
There are two ingredients that help to repair our damaged skin. One is called citrus or radium dulcis orange oil. It helps strengthen and thicken the outer layer of the skin, smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles, and minimizing dryness and flakiness of the skin. It also helps boost protein generation as well as collagen and elastin synthesis. The other ingredient is called Anthemis nobilis flower oil. This plant is also called Roman chamomile or English chamomile. It can relieve allergy skin. It is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. It also can enhance the resistance of capillaries and inhibit melanocytes. That's why Cultures Always Right Recovery Fluid can repair our damaged skin. I think you will love it once you start using it.